Encountering issues topping up your Tesco Mobile account? You're not alone. Many users face errors with card payments, voucher pins, and 3D secure authentication. These errors can interrupt your service, but most are fixable. Let's start with your card. Is it enabled for online transactions? Does the billing address match what your bank has on file? Are there sufficient funds? For vouchers, double-check that you've entered the PIN exactly as it appears, paying attention to capitalization, and be aware that vouchers do expire, typically after 12 months. Lastly, 3D Secure is a security measure that requires secondary authentication, often through your banking app. Make sure your app is up to date and that you have a stable internet connection when authenticating. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your top-up issues, here are advanced solutions. Start by using the Tesco Mobile app, which includes AI-driven error detection that flags potential problems before you submit, as highlighted in Tesco plc's June 2025 earnings reports. For 3D Secure authentication problems, ensure your device's operating system is up to date. Outdated software can lead to failures, according to a 2025 Ofcom report. Consider setting up automatic top-ups to eliminate manual errors and avoid service interruptions. If issues persist, contact Tesco Mobile support. Their system uses AI chatbots for initial inquiries, but you can request human assistance via phone or live chat. In a 2024 case from the Tesco Community Forum, a user's card was declined due to being flagged for unusual activity by the bank. The user temporarily disabled the card's security settings, completed the top-up, and then re-enabled the security features.